City Airport Terminal 2. In celebration of our 114th Philippine Independence Day, hinihintay po natin ang Juan de la Cruz Band that will be performing on Sunday, June 17, 2012. So, hintay-hintay po muna tayo!
Para ako yung nakapagmerienda.
Hello mga kababayan, and yes, guess who's with me? Pepe, Mike, and Wally of Juan de la Cruz Band.
Rock and roll!
Yes, so they're here to celebrate our 114th Philippine Independence Day. That is organized by Philippine Independence Council here in Singapore. So, Pepe, is it your first time here in Singapore?
No, it's my only time.
Your only time?
Second.
Second time. The first time, is it to perform as well?
Yeah, we did. We did it at the Boiler Room.
So are you excited to see all our kababayans on Sunday?
Every time I go somewhere or what, like, I wish I could see them all at one time.
At one time?
Yeah, which is a stadium or a theater or what.
Yes. So would you like to invite them on Sunday for your show?
Sige. Mga kababayan, mga kapatid, kapuso, kabagang, at saka
Kabalikan,
kabuo,
kabalabang.
kasapatos, punta po kayo.
Sa Sunday. Tomorrow and Sunday.
Punta po kayo ng Sabado bukas at Linggo sa next day po para magpapasasaya po tayo at rock and roll at enjoyin natin yung ating Freedom Day. Kahit na, siyempre di ba June 12 din, no? Sila yun, tayo, ngayon. Ba't doon sa Sunday? Special po yan. Tayo na kasi mag-celebrate ng ganun. So what? As long as we celebrate.
Yeah!
Philippine Independence Day.
Okay. How about Mike? First time po ba dito sa second time? Magkakasama po kayo nun? Ibang grupo. Ayun. Excited na po ba kayo? So you're playing guitar, drums, or the bass guitar? And Michael?
He's gone.
It's tomorrow and
Tomorrow and Sunday. Yes, he's gone for the big event. Independence. Liberty and redemption. All kinds of salvation.
And Wally, how do you
Guitar, yeah.
Yes, si Wally po.
Hello, kita tayo bukas sa Sunday para sa ating kalayaan. See you. Thank you.
So guys, yes, Juan de la Cruz Band with us to celebrate our 114th Philippine Independence Day. We invite you tomorrow and on Sunday, June 17 at Suntec, Tower 1 Atrium, and watch for them. Okay guys? It's fun to be Pinoy!
Punta po kayo. Baga namin kayo. Hintayin namin kayo para sa
Ayan po mga kababayan, so we've met Juan de la Cruz Band. So aren't you excited to see them perform live on